Hello, today we're going to talk about the Incredibox feedback assignment. So here we go. Okay, so here's how we are going to do this assignment. On Google Classroom, you'll see a bunch of different things, but the one that we want is under form and structure, August 31 to September 4th, and it'll say Incredibox feedback. So go ahead and click on that. You'll see a link to this video. If you're watching it already, then you found it. And you'll also see a link to this slideshow, and the slideshow should have your name on it. Like usual, I'm using my Music Pantoja account to demonstrate for you. So it won't say Music Pantoja, it will say your name. So if it were to say, if I were on my own account doing this, then it would say Mr. Hoffman, because my first name's Mr. and my last name is Hoffman, of course. So I can click on the slideshow from right here, or I can click View Assignment, either one. And I can also click to the slideshow from here. So why don't I go ahead and do that? And now it comes up, and notice it says in here, big red text for you so that you don't miss it. Slides 1 through 4 are the instructions for the assignment, and you do have to turn in the questions on slides 5 and 6. So read slides 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you'll be ready to complete your assignment on slides 5 and 6. But do be sure to write your name. So here we go. On the next slide, you'll see it says, go to the Incredibox composition assignment for your class. So if I am in 3C, then I will click 3C. And you'll notice it looks like I wasn't in that. Scratch that. Hold on a second. Let's pretend that I'm in 3D. And I'll click on that. And then I will go ahead and go to student answers. Now I see that a bunch of us have submitted it, which is great. Let's say I just want to choose one. I wonder. Ah, yes, here's one that I did as Music Pantoja. And I'm going to go ahead and open that, and I'm going to listen to it. And yours the one that you choose will obviously sound different. You can choose any one you like as long as it's not your own. Once you're done listening, you can listen as many times as you like. Once you are done listening, you're going to keep it moving through. Again, choosing one of the links posted by your classmates. I have arrows pointing to it on the example. You're going to watch and listen, and then answer the questions on the next slide. So the mix title, you can get that from here. It says Cool Cats. There we go. And the DJ name, let's just say it was Mr. Hoffman, but you're going to choose whatever appears here. You can write that in. Does the song use a variety of sounds? You'll answer that question. Does the song have at least 2 sections? You'll answer that. And then if yes, describe the first and describe the second. What makes it different from the first? Remember that a phrase or section might have changed if you hear different instruments, changes in volume or dynamics, or new musical ideas. Finally, you'll continue on to the last slide, and you'll answer what you liked about the song and what suggestions you would give to improve the song for next time. You're going to double click in the box and then start typing your answer. Once you have answered all of the questions on both slides 5 and 6, you can go ahead and close the assignment or close the slideshow, and then you can click Turn In. That's all. I hope you enjoy the Incredibox feedback assignment. I hope you get some great feedback for your composition. Thanks, and I cannot wait to see what you do with this assignment. Have a great rest of your day, and have a great rest of your week. I'll see you next time. Bye.